Welcome to day 11. Today we are going to learn about a new Google product called Google Jamboard. It's sort of like if you've ever used Padlet in a class. It's sort of like a virtual bulletin board. And in theory, everyone in the class could add to the same board. Um, I'm not so comfortable with us doing that during virtual schooling because then I can't monitor what people are posting. So we're each going to make our own Jamboard. And the theme of our Jamboard is going to be a COVID time capsule. So you're going to model yours off my example, which will be posted in Schoology with your materials. You're going to open up Jamboard. So how do I open a Jamboard? Well, since it's a Google product, when you're in Google or up here on your toolbar, whichever place you want to look, Jamboard is one of your little Google apps. So you can either go to the menu here, you can type in Jamboard, whatever have you. But Jamboard will be one of the apps that you have access to. You just type it into your Omnibox if it doesn't come up right away. So I'm not seeing it as something I frequently use. So I'm simply going to type in Jamboard and it pulls up that it's like a digital whiteboard. Okay. Get started. And then it's going to open it up. You might have to log in with Google. And you can see the one that I was working on right here. So how do I start one? Well, the first thing you do is click the plus sign. That opens up a new jam. You technically can add as many slides as you want. We only need one. The first thing you can do is choose a background. You're kind of limited, but you have dots, you have plain white, you have lined, whatever you want, graph paper, etc. Okay. And you're going to base yours off my example. So you're going to have to use the same exact topics for yours. So you're going to use the heading, COVID time capsule. You're going to put all the items that I have black on yours as well. The locations don't matter. You can put the topics wherever. I do ask that your names at least in the upper left corner, but these can move around slightly. So you have to use the text tool to make those boxes with the topics. So name, favorite quarantine activity, what I miss about normal life, biggest change during COVID, best thing that happened during quarantine, and during quarantine I'm most thankful for, and my feelings. So you make those text boxes. At each of those places, you're going to use the Post-it note or the sticky note function to create a sticky note now down by the words. So you're going to use a sticky note and you're going to make a topic answer to your topic. So my name is Miss Watts. Favorite activity during quarantine was hiking. What I miss normal life, jokingly, I miss that you can't use a claw machine during COVID. It's really weird to me that anything else is like eventually allowed back, but the claw machine, God forbid you use the claw machine. So that's just funny to me. Best thing that happened to me, I went on a trip to Vermont and did this most amazing hike up a mountain there. I liked the extra time with my family. Sometimes I feel like during work and school and stuff, I don't see them enough. So it was nice to have that peaceful time. And I added pictures to a few of them. So what you must do is you must have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 items that I posted about, okay, and 7 Post-it notes to answer them. Of those 7 topics, you must include 4 at least pictures that go along with those topics to explain them. And you must have the heading COVID time capsule. And you must have chosen a background. Once you have created your entire Jamboard and your answers, you are then going to click on the 3 dots, the snowman, and you're going to click as save frame as an image. Make sure you name it first before you save it. It's going to be your last name dash time capsule is how you need to save them. Okay, so you're going to do that. You're going to save the frame as an image. It will download to your Chromebook, and you are going to post this image to the discussion board called COVID Time Capsule. So you'll go into Schoology and you'll file post just like we've been doing for all the others. This time you won't need a screenshot. You will just post the file that you saved of your last name time capsule image. Okay. And then, of course, you need to do today's Where is Miss Watts? And where did she go today on day 11? Day 11, she is at the Turkey Hill. 2 words, Turkey and Hill. Getting my gas and a fountain soda, maybe a lottery ticket. But I'm at the Turkey Hill. Remember, today the email test is due by the end of the day, and get started on your Jamboards because they are due Friday. Have a great day.